Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to see chapter 5 of geography, water. Do you know from where does water come in clouds? Let's understand about water cycle in nature. The water in oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds heats up by the solar heat and converts into vapor. This process is called evaporation. Water vapor present in the air upper in the atmosphere and gets cooled and changes back into liquid droplets that form clouds. The process is called condensation. When so much of vapors gets condensed into water droplets that the air could not hold this anymore, and the water falls back to the earth in the form of rain, hail, sleet, or snow. This process is called precipitation. This circulation of process in the Earth's atmosphere is known as water cycle that maintains continuous supply of fresh water on Earth. Now we are going to see about distribution of water bodies. In oceans, there is 97.3% of water. In ice caps, there is 2% of water. In groundwater, there is 0.60% of water. In freshwater lakes, inland seas, and salt lakes, there is 0.009% of water. In atmosphere, there is 0.0019% of water. In rivers, there is 0.0001% of water. Do you know salinity is the amount of salt in grams present in 1000 grams of water? The average salinity of oceans is 35 parts per thousand. Do you know Dead Sea in Israel has salinity of 340 grams per liter of water. Swimmers can float in it because they increase the salt content make it dense. Now we can do one activity. Take 2 liters of water. Let it represent the total water on the surface of the earth. Measure out 12 spoons of water from this vessel into another bowl. The water that is left behind in the vessel represents the salty water found in oceans and seas. The water is obviously not fit for consuming. It is saline. The 12 spoons of water that was taken in a bowl is the total amount of fresh water on earth. Oceans can be broadly categorized as waves, tides, and currents. When the water on the surface of the ocean rises and falls alternately, they are called waves. Do you know waves are formed when winds carp across the ocean surface? The stronger the wind blows, the bigger the wave becomes. Do you know tsunami is a Japanese word that means harbor waves as the harbors get destroyed whenever there is a tsunami? Tides. The rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water twice in a day is called a tide. High tide. When water covers much of the shore by rising to its highest level. Low tide. When water falls to its lowest level and recedes from the shore. Around the new moon and the full moon, the sun, moon, and the earth falls in a straight line. This line is the maximum tide height. This is called spring tides. When the moon is at first quarter or third quarter, the sun and moon was separated by 90 degrees. This is the minimum tide height. This is called neap tides. Ocean currents. Ocean's currents are streams of water flowing constantly on the ocean surface in definite direction. The ocean currents may be warm or cold. The warm ocean currents originate near the equator and move towards the poles. Cold currents carry water from polar or higher latitudes to tropical or lower latitudes. The Labrador Ocean current is cold current. The Gulf Stream is a warm current. Seas around Japan and the eastern coast of North America are such examples. Like this video, share this video, subscribe our channel and get notifications and see all videos. Thanks for watching.